What are, and how do we use, the listen controls on the bookmarklet? The listen controls include listen, pause, play, and stop. Begin by highlighting some text, in our case part of the CNN.com article on dinosaur eggs. Click listen and the material will begin streaming using the highlighting settings that you have selected. It was found in a rock formation on Seymour Island, off. To temporarily pause the streaming, click on the pause tool button, as we just did. To resume the streaming, click on the play tool button, as we are doing now. The coast of Antarctica, by a team of Chilean researchers during an Antarctic scientific expedition funded. To stop the playing, click on the stop tool button, as we just did. If you want to listen to the material again or to listen to other material, you'll need to highlight the desired material, and click on the listen tool button. Remember, with the bookmarklet, you must highlight text before the listen commands will be activated. The bookmarklet will work on any web page, and in any browser.